So what I want to do this morning is give you all a bit of a mental model of the Kronk project. And let's just all triple check that some of the basic programs and the server is running. All right. Then once we get that and you have a basic sort of mental model for the project and how it works, the cool thing is that the semantics for this model server are going to be very similar to how an Llama would work or VLLM would work in general. And once your brain is sort of wired into how these models work, this is going to help you be better at talking to agents and getting them what to do because you know a little bit of what's happening behind that screen. Now, all that being said, and by the way, we're using Llama CPP as our actual inference engine. If you don't know, Llama CPP, I don't want to use the word acquired, but just joined forces with Hugging Face, which for me is brilliant because now Llama CPP is going to be very, very well funded. Llama has been using Llama CPP forever, but they were using CGO to connect to it. Now, CGO is great, but it requires you to write a lot of Go code to define the types and all of that. So if you look at the latest version of Llama CPP that Llama supports, it's like way back. Llama is releasing new versions several times a day. You're going to run this software at some point and you're going to see downloading. Now, there are flags in the system that will allow you to say don't upgrade, right? And there's even a way to like lock into one particular Llama CPP. So like if you deploy something to production and you don't care about running on the latest, greatest, you lock it in. Now, every once in a while, Llama CPP announces that they're going to publish a breaking change. And then this is where Ron Evans has to jump in. We usually know ahead of time that the next version is going to break. And then it will break. And then Ron will rush to update ISMA, which is our basically Go API for Llama CPP. And then everything will work again. And usually for that 24 hours, I just lock in the last known version that I know is working until Ron can come in. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So we can run on the very latest version of Llama CPP all the time, which one would hope that that means that you're getting the best version of Llama anytime you want it, right? Ideally, they're not regressing. So that's Kronk's advantage over a Llama